Hey YouTube, this is Srry 1202 playing Happy Wheels. Yay! I know. Oh well, let's see. Let's play.
He's my cousin.
Let's play Ultimate Payback. I have never played this before. I don't know how do you control this.
Look, forward arrow to move.
Okay.
That's to move backwards. That's to move left.
Okay.
And that's to move yes.
Oh my god. And R's to restart or
No,
P?
Escape R.
Oh my god. Where's the escape button?
No, look
Oh my god. Eject. Ow. Move. No. Billy.
Why am I running in circles?
Billy. No. Oh god. Come on. Oh.
Dude, look at the screen. Look at my remote.
Oh my god.
Look, dude, look at my remote. Look. Never press the button. Never press left control.
Oh god!
Never press left control. No, something.
Oh.
And when it says prepare to eject, you gotta press Z right when it says eject.
Eject now.
You lost your leg.
Payback time. Ooh. I got it. Oh. Woo! I did that like a boss. I'm a boss black person. Yeah, I'm black and I'm boss. That was racist. Let's try Jet Boy Extreme. Let's say hello. This is my new Jet Boy level. This is blah 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 blah. 5,332 votes. Look good. Pogo Stick Man. Thunder. Every damn shovel. Oh, is this the Oh, dude, I'm playing this.
You have some refreshments, man.
Woo, sucker! You suck. What is that? Can I have some?
No, I just supposedly brought it.
Oh. I love this level. It's so fun. Sucker.
Also, we're gonna watch the video once we finish recording.
Huh?
This is not how you're using it.
Sorta.
Trust me, dude, if you were wearing my other old headphones, then it would have been like...
Ooh, I wish I could pick that up. I want to be a boss. How do you pick that?
You can't pick that up.
Ah! Come on! Ah! I'm failing. Oh, there we go. I just went through his balls. Woo! Pause it real quick.
I'm looking. Hello YouTube, Srry1202 here talking now. We're gonna take like a little 5-10 minute break to eat some ice cream. When we get back, we will be playing the most amazing level in the world, Head Shoulder.
I'll be playing.
Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, I'm playing GTA 5 right now though. By Viki, yeah, okay, I already said that. Please rate and make awesome replays so there. And we'll be seeing you later.
Bye! Bye! I'm gonna restart that. I'm gonna restart that.
Don't ever press control, remember that.
ESC. ESC. Oh!
No, quickly press space right this
R, C.
Okay, do it!
R. Okay. Stupid piece of crap.
Don't dab it.
Boom, 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 boom. Who shot? Oh, no. I shot. Woo!
Don't spam it, now you gotta restart.
Aw. Hey, please rate this level, retard. Dang it, dude, huh? It's frozen. Leave it alone.
It's dumb. You're dumb. Dude, you shot.
I'll hear crap. I heard
Come on.
crap.
Yeah, let's listen to else. It's obvious you're never gonna win.
Alright, dude, let me do it. Let me do it.
It's obvious you're never gonna win.
No, just let me choose my own missions, okay? Dude, I'm the one playing, okay? It's either I play this or I play GTA 5.
There you go.
Then he was hoping to send Jimmy. Hold on. Jimmy. Oh, what's his name?
Come on, dude.
No!
Look at my dog, dude.
Alright, let me restart it.
You might move your gut. You know what gut means? Gut means gut.
The gut is your jut, mutt. It's dirty slut. Are you a dirty slut?
That's a bad word.
Oh, I didn't mean to say that. I killed Jimmy! Yay! I killed Jimmy. That was fun.
Dude, the controlling on this car is usually done.
I'm a boss.
Dude, the controlling on this car is easily well done.
That's cool. I'm a boss.
No, you're not. Is that why you just died?
Oh!
What did I tell you?
Oops. Oh, this hurts so painful.
6 minutes. Got 4 minutes remaining.
Dude, this is hard playing with your stupid headphones.
Why?
You're in my way.
Okay, then I'll do the voice narration.
Hi, my name is Jaden's cousin, and I'm gay and dumb and stupid and mentally ill. Oops, I ejected.
Yeah, I'm listening.
What did you say? What did you say? I'm listening over this, man, because
My face is in my butt. Yeah. Oh, Jimmy. Okay.
Timmy, his name is...
Oh, shift ejects. Dang it.
Haha, I felt like you said
Wait,
that.
what does PewDiePie say? You call him.
Timmy?
Oh, freaking. No, it's Jimmy.
No, it's not.
Ah,
It's Timmy. Everyone freaking calls him Timmy.
Jimmy. Oh. That's because PewDiePie started it.
No, he didn't. PewDiePie didn't start crap.
Who started crap?
PewDiePie didn't start the word Timmy.
Who?
Some random YouTuber who created the game called Happy Wheels.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I left Timmy behind at the starting.
The guy who created Happy Wheels is the one who gave him the name.
Oh, my God.
I'm not the garage.
That's cool.
You're gonna die. In 3, 2, 1. Watch you. Look, you're gonna die when you land. Oh, dang it. Everyone dies there.
Well, not me, because I'm a boss.
Is that why you died like 4 million times?
I'll do card.
I thought this was a sucky level car thief. I'm gonna be going on BMX.
I like them.
Yeah.
Like these. These are cool people.
Oh, you had to be the moped family.
Oh, that's great. How do you jump?
Ah, I get flipped off, you dumb heads. You can't jump. You make me above me.
Yeah, you made me want to lobotomy.
Do you know?
Whatever that is.
It's a bad word.
What's fun?
Put what the meaning in it means in the description. I mean, in the comments.
Yeah.
At this rate, you're never gonna get your car back.
Why?
Because of how bad you drive.
I'm a safe driver. Don't question my authority.
Why are you a safe driver?
I killed a child today.
I busted my head open. What an accomplishment. Oh, upgrade that car.
I'm gonna.